Welcome back everyone, Dmitry Lipinski, Roofing Insights, and today I'm reviewing this Ergo stripper, crotchy looking stripper that's supposed to make installers and labor guys on the roofs jobs much easier. Thanks for coming. So I'll be honest with you, when I first have seen this product at a Roof Expo 2018 in New Orleans just a couple months ago, I got super excited. I'm like, this is genius. Whoever came up with it was really smart, really thought it through. And then I realized just today that it was actually designed by engineer, probably not worker. And here's my review. We took it on the job site today, actually spoke to installers. Unfortunately, those installers bought a whole bunch of them and they already returned it to their local ABC. So I owe it to you guys. Here's my review. I'm giving it 3.5 stars, 3.5. And here's how we came up with the conclusion. So obviously it's designed well to the point, like you have extra handles. It does look like a crotch, so it does look really good like here in the studio, but I took it to the job site. Here's how it went. So we're here on the roof with a female roofer. What's your name?
May.
May. We're here with May. So apparently May already knows way more than I know about the tool because your crew has already tried it. So give me some feedback.
It helps your back. It definitely helps your back. But I think if you're looking to be safe, you know, and that one sort of slows everybody down. So I think if you're looking to do your house, that'd be a good tool to do it for a one-day job. And you see how you have to literally use both because it's heavier.
Yep.
It looks like it's lighter, but really when you come down to it, it's heavy. So that will slow you down.
I think it's easier if you do something like heavier, like when you have to like pry it harder, or for this application you don't really need two hands.
Whenever there's anything heavier, we just use a bar.
Well, what if you just fell and you came out of the hospital and you need a crutch? So right there. And I know a few guys in the roofing community right now who's recovering. So guys, you can substitute it for your crutch pretty much. But if you don't want girls to beat you, you might as well stick to the old tools.
I didn't mean to.
Well, you already did.
I really think it was a good idea. Just most of the tools, you know, are meant to kind of showcase and kind of for videos, but really when it comes down to it, the old school tools, you can't beat them.
Well, here's the verdict, guys. You heard it. You heard it from the girl. This looks cool, but it's not gonna do the job as efficient as the old school rippers will. So Roofing Insight is gonna stand behind that opinion just because we cannot argue with May, and hope it helps. Give it a try. It definitely works, but you decide what you want to use on your roof. So when I took it to the job site, we actually put it against regular stripper, and I was surprised to see how inefficient it is. So it wasn't as cool as it feels like right here. So when you actually start working with it, I would say it slows you down. You cannot go as fast as the regular one. And I would say if you're a slower pace worker, it'll be fine because you're kind of like a little bit more relaxed. You're walking with it. But overall, to be honest with you, I don't think I would be using it if I would be removing nails and shingles as, you know, every single day. So just because it's much more money than regular one, obviously losing points there. So I'm giving them 3 points, 3 stars for the price. We called ABC and they told us it's $77.95 in their catalog, where a regular one cost $54.99. So $22, almost 30% less. So 30% for me, it's 2 stars right there. Functionality, again, it works, it does the job. But it cannot compare and it's not as efficient as the regular one. So efficiency 3, functionality 3. The only 5 star I give them is after fall recovery category. So what after fall recovery? I just seen this post from another roofer in another Facebook group, and he just said, hey, I just have this surgery just 3 days ago, and now I'm on a roof. Because I'm a roofer, I have to keep working. So if you're just recovering after heavy surgery, because it looks like a crutch and it does support your weight and you can go on a slower pace, I would highly recommend invest in something like this when you're limited, maybe your back already hurts. To be honest with you, my back hurt a little bit more using this stripper versus regular one, just because you kind of like putting, I mean, it's weird. Like, you think it engineered well and it's supposed to help your back, but when you actually go on the roof and you do this, it actually puts a little bit more pressure on your back than a regular one. It's awkward. I can't explain why, but something with this design, something with this handle right here, maybe it's your elbow, maybe the way you put a pressure, so it definitely makes it easier. If you need to rest on your hand, but if you are fully capable, and a lot of you guys out there, I know hardworking roofer laborers, you can go with the two of them. You definitely cannot go with the two of crutch looking ones. So I would say it gets 5 stars, overall 3.5 stars. That's my rating. Can I recommend it? Yeah, in some applications, if you like it, maybe you feel that it's better for you. I would like you to share your feedback. Comment below if you like it, or maybe you didn't agree with my review, and hope to see you in the next video.
Nice.
Nice Christmas gift. If your husband just hurt himself, that's what you want to buy him. I guess I can do something with it.